Students, honorable teacher friends, all categories of Revhard participants, at the time of discussing about the meaning of education, in our last class we discussed about the narrow meaning of education, and today we are to discuss about the broad meaning of education. And for doing so, we have to study the term, means we have to understand the meaning of the term broad. And it basically means about large in area or range. The broad meaning of education or the expansive meaning of education covers a large area of life and society. But the narrow meaning of education does not do so. In a sense, the range of the meaning of education is very wide, extensive once we consider education from broad parameter. Friends, as you understand or as we know, education in broad sense is the accumulation, means totalization of all the activities and the experiences of our life. It is a process of continuous development of all the human abilities or attributes and behaviors. Let us go back to the next slide. In broad sense means in extensive sense, education, the process of acquiring or the acquisition of education begins when our life begins and it ends when our life ends. Means birth is the starting point and death is the last point of education once we consider education from extensive parameter. Birth is this way. Birth is the beginning and death is the end of education. Education is in broad sense is an experience of life which is acquired through different activities that are performed in different situations and conditions of life. Friends, education is a means of controlling and modifying behavior to adjust with different conditions of life for survival and for development. Let us go back to the next slide. There is no any specific experience or situation or source of education once we consider education from extensive parameter. The whole environment today, the totality of the surrounding we live in and all the activities of life are the sources of education here. Experiences are the best teachers and life is the best source of education once we consider education from extensive or broad parameter. So friends, life is the best teacher or life is the teacher here. Life is the educational institution here and experiences are the specific elements of education and the totalization of all the accumulated experiences during the time of the total span of life is nothing but education once we consider education from extensive parameter. This way, human life can be treated, friends, as the largest institution where from human beings acquire all necessary experiences for survival in better way. The basic purpose of life is survival without much trouble and with the help of education. This most important purpose of life is well achieved depending on education. Let us go back to the next slide. But the thing is this, that human beings live in time and time brings challenges and challenges to life. We need education so that we can realize the value of life in proper way, and for this, the realization of the value of time has special significance. The basic psychological demand of human life is better self-existence, and it depends on the development of the self-capabilities to overcome the challenges of life which are brought by the change situations, that is time. Therefore, in extensive sense, in broad sense, education is a continuous process of development and renewal of experiences, knowledge and skills of self for making life livable as per the demand of time. Let us see the next slide. In broad sense, education includes every activity of our life. Means all activities of life, you see, education covers. Comenius, he was born in 1592 and 1670, and the representative of the realistic movement in education. He was, you see, or he had linked with the realistic movement in education, and Comenius opined, or he expressed his views concerning to the extensive meaning of education, and I like to quote before you this way, that the ultimate end of man is eternal happiness with God. Education assists us in attaining this great end. For him, education is the development of the whole man, means total man. In the words of laws, this is another most important education is the child, you see, educates the parents, the pupil educates his or her teachers. Everything we say, think or do educates us no less than what is said or done to us by, you see, other beings, animate or inanimate. In the wider sense or extensive sense or broader sense, life is education and education is life. Let us see the next one. Whatever broadens our horizon, depends our insight, refines our reactions, and stimulates thought and feeling, educates us. These are the sources of education. Education in broader sense or extensive sense is a process through which we can realize the value of life. Education helps us to develop all the original potentialities or attributes so as to realize the value of life and determine the roles we are to play for the welfare of life and society. It is a process which helps us to measure the values of different activities we accomplish during our lifetime. Let us see the next slide. In the words of Mackenzie, he said, and I like to quote before you again, in the wider sense, means in broader sense, in extensive sense or meaning, education is a process that goes on throughout life and is promoted by every experience in life. From broader perspective or extensive perspective, the whole universe where we live in and try to prove our existence is our educational institution. Everything of the universe, the birds, the trees, the rivers, the animals, the hills, the fountains, human relationships, social institutions, customs, traditions, etc. imparts education. In the words of Deng Hei, he said, I like to quote it before you, education in its widest sense includes all the influences which act upon an individual during his passage from cradle to grave, means from birth to death. Let us see the next slide. In the words of Vivekananda, you see, the prophet of the humanitarian ideals in education, education is not the amount of information that is put into you, means in your brain, and reads right up there, undigested all your life. We must have life-building, man-making, character-making, assimilation of ideas. If you have assimilated 5 ideas and made them your life and character, you have more education than any man who has got by heart a whole library. If education were identical with information, the libraries could be the greatest sages in the world on encyclopedias, the riches. So he explained, you see, covering all the most important parameters or explaining the broader concept of education. Let us go back to the next slide. This way, from broader perspective, from extensive standpoint, broader sense, education is the realization of the self, understanding of nature, power to overcome all the challenges, and power to think for the good of all and everything for self-good. Education is a means to understand life. Friends, this is very difficult. Understanding life is very difficult, and we need education for understanding life, where from I have come and why I am here in this universe. After that, what will be the result and what I should better do and what I can do. All these questions are to be answered systematically depending on the experiences we accumulate in our or by living life. It is a process with the help of which transformation of ideas on elements for the safety of life and the universe is practically realized. And for explaining the meaning of education, Vivekananda, if you remember, Vivekananda defined education. He said, I like to quote before you, by education is the manifestation of all perfection already in man. Means man is born perfect. If any imperfection is there, if any aliens or any mis or wrong ideas are there in the personality, it is because of the influence or negative influence of the society. So friends, he defined education is the manifestation of all, you see, perfect capabilities or qualities, and it is possible by living life in this greater and extensive universe by understanding the real concept and real meaning of life. So thank you so much for today. In next class, we are to explain the characteristics of the broad meaning of education, and once we discuss all these specialties or characteristics of the extensive or broad meaning of education, your concept concerning to education will be much clear or will be very clear. And once you compare the broad meaning with the narrow meaning, then also your concept concerning education will be much clear. So thank you for today. You study on this and you compare this broad meaning of education with the narrow meaning and develop your own concept or as well as develop your own idea concerning to the meaning of education. Thank you so much.